Camera and action. All right. You enjoy your time, Nico?
Yeah.
You know what I think this is, Nico? I think this is they used to use this for like when they used to like cook and stuff back in the days, like the Native Americans or civilization back then. You're tired?
Yeah. Because I split over here.
I went to the cemetery, Nico, over there. Oh, that's Andrea, huh? That's Andrea. Okay. I went to the cemetery over there where the thing is at, and I didn't see no one, right? And then I heard like voices like of a man talking, but I didn't see no one over there in the area. I mean, what the? So I was looking around, like, that's why I asked you, where's the people in the car? Probably they went hiking or something, I don't know. But I would have seen it over there though, because it's pitch quiet over there. It's like nothing. You could drop a pin and far away, you could hear it. That's how quiet it is.
Yeah, I was hearing voices still.
But I couldn't see no one. And it was when I was getting close to the little cemetery. Oh, damn. What is this? Wow, look at that. What the hell? Oh, they put those on purpose. But why would they do that? And look at the tree trunks. They broken down and they were left there. I hear water. What the fuck? Is there some river over there?
Also, I'm going this way, okay?
Okay, Nico. Hold up. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Wait for me there. Don't go yet. I gotta check this out. Give me a second. Shit, look at that. Sinking ground right here. This only reminds me of one thing. Sasquatch. Because I've been watching a lot of documentaries about Sasquatch, and they will usually hide like under those trees right there. And a bunch of logs left there and shit. I don't know. It's possible. Probably they're there right now and shit. I don't even know. Damn. I always want to come and see these things. My pants are falling down. Pico pico. Come on. You hold these, Nico? Sorry, my pants are falling.
Are you going live?
I'm recording. I was trying to go live, but this dumb thing won't let me go through. It's just a signal. Huh?
They need Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I think so. Pico, pico. The most creepiest thing would be if a head comes out of the freaking frame. I bet I'll make it all the way to my car in less than a minute. Ooh. What are the odds of that? Look at the grass. It seems like something heavy been sleeping around there. Oh shit. I don't mean to go a little bit too extreme, but I know what things in two legs could do that. What? Oh, the rock?
It's not fair.
Yeah, they blocked it up. No one will freaking fall. Hey, it's rocks, Nico. Don't do nothing. But yeah, it seems like something is sleeping here, like.
They probably put their farms, maybe.
Huh? Put the what?
Probably their animals, maybe. Probably their chickens.
There's no chickens here, Nico.
Sure would.
Yeah, that was funny. That was cute. Chickens. Yeah. This is abnormal. Very abnormal. Something been sleeping here at night. Like crazy. Not here, but it's here. That's the funny part. Like, right here, the grass look like something heavy been sleeping here and huge. You see what I mean? And here the grass is like still standing. Why we're not here when it's bigger? Probably. Oh damn. That's weird. Only on the small ones. What the heck? Yeah, cowboy music? Yeehaw. There's a river back there. We didn't get to explore those. I don't think we're not going to be able to though. Alright, you want to go to the cemetery, Nico?
Sure.
Watch. When we go there,
We're gonna get hungry.
it feels eerie, like crazy. I don't know. I really wish we could teleport like those guys in YouTube. We jump and you teleport to the other spot. You don't have to walk all the way over there. Right? Damn. That's crazy. I don't even know if they had chickens back then. Never know, Nico. Maybe they did. Probably raised them and shit. Or... Ooh, a rabbit!
Where?
Right here, under the bush, under the bush. Oh, it's a cute little rabbit. Where, money? You see it? Oh, it's right on the other side.
Oh, I see it.
Run, Forrest, run! Ooh, small cactus, Nico. Small cactus. Oh, that's cool. Damn, that's cool. Touch, don't touch, don't touch.
Why are you touching it?
I'm stupid.
Why are you touching it?
I don't know. Oh, you can go through here, Nico. It's gonna be okay, Nico. Oh, we gotta go through here. I'm breaking the rules here. What the freaking hell? Ooh, these ones are really good.
What are those?
Really like us. My mom loves cooking those. Once again, smashed. I know Israel wanted us to leave early to go to the horseshoe bend. Horseshoe bend? Is it called horseshoe bend, right? God bless Andrea for giving me this portable charger. Oh man. I recorded some good stuff in the cemetery and stuff, and I kept hearing noises. Oh, another rabbit. Oh, you can see it. He's right there. Rabbit. Rabbit. There he goes. So you want to go to the cemetery? You want to go to the cemetery?